Devabhasha rules continued. How do you play the grey diamond card? The grey diamond card depicts location. What does that mean? Notice that we have added a grey diamond to the earlier combination of star, red diamond, and circle. To quickly recap, subject, object, verb now has location. The addition of this grey diamond refers to location. So, what does location signify? This card is inserted in the existing sentence to signify place or to signify time. Now, in the earlier sentence, you have inserted the Himalaya card which says this happened in Himalaya. Or you may choose to insert a time card which says this happened at this time. In this case, Pratah Kale. Notice that with the addition of the grey diamond card, the integrity of the sentence remains. Here, Himalaya is added to the existing combination. And here, Pratah Kale is added to the existing combination. So what does that sentence become? The sentence remains exactly the same as it used to be before, with the addition of the word Himalaya to signify that this happened in Himalaya. Or it happened at a particular time. In this case, the sentences happened at Pratah Kale. And if you look at it from an English perspective, the sentences read exactly the same with the addition of the place or the time of the event. So same way, if you use a star, a red diamond and a circle, with the addition of the grey diamond card, the integrity of the sentence remains exactly the same as we mentioned earlier, whether you had Himalaya or whether you add Pratah Kale. And the sentence reads exactly the same with the addition of a location of where did it happen and when did it happen, and reads pretty much the same way in English as well with the addition of the Himalaya and the morning. And you will see that whether the sentence is a logical error or not, by and large remains the same. So that's how you use a grey diamond card in your sentence when something is happening at the location or at the time. And to recap, the red diamond refers to the object and the yellow diamond refers to the object as an instrument. And that is how you add a grey diamond to your sentence. That is Devabhasha for you. Collect cards, make sentences, gain points, and in the process, learn Samskrita as well.